Okay, you are welcome. So first you need to open your browser, any browser of your choice. Then at the URL just type Google Forms, then you press enter. So when you search the first list of items, that is the docs.google.com, you click on the Google sign in. So when you click, it will allow you to sign in by entering your Gmail and your password. But because I have already opened my Gmail account with it, it is saved and automatically sends me directly into the Google Forms. Another way is to go to your Gmail. You go and sign in with Gmail. So when you click on Gmail sign in, it will allow you to sign into your Gmail. Then on your right hand side you will find this Google Apps icon, the dotted or circle dots on your left hand side. You click on it and it will give you access to all the Google applications. So you have your Google Drive, your Gmail, your YouTube, and all the necessary apps that goes with your Google accounts. So we are looking for forms, so you scroll until you get forms. So I have my forms here, so I'll click on forms. So that's another way you can log into your Google Forms. So let's kickstart with our forms. We have predefined templates that are already created for you. So for example, if what I am doing has to do with just taking information, contact information, I can click on contact information. Then another one is RSVP assessment forms, and then event registration form. So for example, if I'm designing an event registration form, I can click on this one, which already comes with some template, you understand. So I will just edit. So event registration, here you can decide to add the name of the event registration. So maybe let's say end of year party dash event registration form. So I'm just editing it. So if there's the need for you to change the event time and date, location, so I will leave the event address, the event time and date. I'll change the date to 2025, and then I will change the address as well. So here I will just say Modern City. Modern City Hotel, Tamale. So your contact, you do the same thing. For the sake of time, we will continue with our form. So it also means that you can bold, you can italic, you can underline. And so when you want to bold a particular text, you just highlight and you click on bold. So you see that my bold is working. So that's it. Now anytime you want to activate a particular question, you just click inside the question and it will give you these features. So you see that name, we leave it like that, or if you want to just say full name. So the template is just there for you to be editing. Those that you want, you edit them. Those you don't want, you delete them. So these features tells you that you can duplicate the question, you can delete it, you can make it a compulsory or optional question. So this is, when this is off, it means that it is optional question, and when you put it on, it means it is a compulsory question. Then we go to email. So you can delete email. Let's delete email. We don't want to get your email, so I'm going to delete it. So you see that I've deleted it. Then organization you are coming from. So you see that there's no contact in this template, so we'll add contact. So from here I will click on this duplicate. So when I click on duplicate, I will edit the full name and type contact. You understand? So contact, then I will duplicate it again and then add gender. I want to see the gender. The people should provide their gender. So I will type gender. You understand? And gender comes with some options. Is you are either female, male, or an other gender that we don't know. So I will choose multiple choice, and it will give me these options here. So option 1, I will say male. Option 2, I will say female. So then we have order, prefer not to say. Good. Now we are gradually editing our organization. We can leave it. So organization, we can leave it like that. Which organization you are coming from, or what days will you attend? Fine. So if the party is going to be organized in sessions, you can leave it like that. But if it is not going to be organized in sessions, you will just leave it as day 1, day 2, day 3, or whichever way you want it. If it is by date, you indicate the date. You get it? So you will continue to edit your form until you get everything perfect. So instead of dietary restrictions, we can say you can edit it and say that type of food you like. So here I can say rice, kente. You know, this is a template designed by some people to suit their environment. So we will also design it to suit our environment. So we have food. Good. Now the rest you can delete them by clicking on this X. So these picture icons you are seeing is just there to provide some more details about the kind of food. So if it is rice, you can get a picture of a rice with all the necessary ingredients that accompanies it. So but we are not inserting a picture, but I'm just telling you that you have the opportunity to add a picture by storing it in your computer, and when you click, it will link you to the location you want. So assuming I have not uploaded any picture, so I go and then click on browse, and then you select the picture. So for example, assuming this is my food item, I'll click on it, then click on open. So it will insert the picture for me. So you see it here. So assuming this is rice, what kind of rice, it will be displayed here. But we are not interested in those things, so I will take it off. Good. So we'll continue with our form. Now you see the last part of it, they say I understand that I will have to pay um, this upon, so let's put a figure there. Instead of dollar we will put Ghana cedi, maybe 50 Ghana cedi upon arrival. So if you agree you say yes, if you don't agree you say no. You understand? If you want to pay, but if it is a must, you can just leave it as yes, only yes. If it is a must that everybody is paying, so you can leave it as yes, but if not, you add another option. So we possibly just done with our form. So here you can add a title. You can add a title by coming to the right hand side. You will find add title and description. So you can click add title and description, and this part you will see thank you for your response. Thank you for your response. Hope to see you at the party. You understand? So that's all. So just to let the person know that, or in summary you can say submit your response. Go ahead and submit your response. So you can put it here, kindly submit your response. That's okay. So when you are done, you can preview to see your work. You can preview to see your work. So you click on customize theme. Sorry, customize is a different stuff. We will be looking at how to customize very soon. So you click on preview. You click on preview. So the preview will allow you to see how your form will look like after sharing it. So you have all your details intact. So you click. You see, so you can check. If you are going for all the days, you check. But if you are not, you check only the day you'll be honoring the party. If you want Kenke, you check. You are paying. It's a compulsory fault. You have to pay. You know that you are paying. Then thank you for your response. Hope to see you at the party. So you see that they hope to see you. I've skipped something, so you can still go ahead and edit. So you go back. Yeah, leave. So it will send you back to the form. So at this point you will go to where we had the error and correct it there. Hope to see you. It's just a matter of just clicking on the question and to activate it for you to edit. Hope to see you at the party. So we are done, and after this you publish. After this you publish. Before it can be shared, or before the receiver can view it, we need to publish it. So you click on publish. So you see here they say that anyone with the link can respond. Anyone with the link can respond. So that's okay. So sometimes if people share forms and they are not editable, so you can go to manage. When you go to manage, the one editing it, you see your email here. And if you want to also share it to some particular people, you will enter their emails here. So aside those people, nobody can have access to it. You understand? So you enter their emails and share it to them. Now you will restrict. You can restrict it. You can make it restricted. So you see here, editing view is restricted. Responder. So editing view means I am the only one to edit it. The editor has the right to edit it. So don't always make it anyone with the link to edit. Leave it as restricted. Now, unless probably you want other people to edit it before you can now submit it for responding. So I'll come to the responder view. You see that we have restricted, we have anyone with the link. So you share it using anyone with the link so that people can respond. So those who have challenges responding to forms, this is what they don't allow. They make it restricted. So take note. Then you say done. Now you publish. So when you publish it, you click on publish. So when you publish, you see that it has changed to published. So you can now share it. You can now share it. So you either click on this link, copy the link here, and share it to platforms that you want to respond to this form, or you come to share, and then you can copy the link from here. So after that, you say done. So that's how. Now look at here. After clicking this link, it will give you the link here to copy, and mostly I prefer to shorten my URL, the link. I prefer to shorten it. So you click on the link here, then you click on shorten. So when you click on shorten, it will shorten it for you. Then you now click on copy, and with that you can now send it to any platform and paste. So we will come back and look at how to create our own form at Fresh. So thank you, and see you in the next video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channels for more videos. This is GVS.